Next, prime factorization. Question number 4. Find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Here we find out the square root by prime factorization method. First question 700. Question number 4. First 729. 729. Find out its square root by prime factorization method. Here given number divided by prime numbers. Here 729. This number divided by which is smallest prime number. Look, 729. This is an odd number. Even number, not an odd number. Therefore, this number divided. This number not divided by 2. Then take next number, which number 3. Then look, this 729 is divided by 3. Prime number 3 look. 3. 7. First number 7. How many times 3 in 7? 2 times. Then 7 2 3s are 6. 6 is subtracted from 7, we get remainder 1. Then 1 to third. In total how many times 3? 4 3s are 12. Then next number 9. 9 how many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Then next look, is this number again divided by 3? Look, 3. 3 8s are 24. Then in 3 how many times 3? 1 time. Then we get 81. 81 is completely divided by 3. Look, 3. How many times? 2. 2 3s are 6. 80 minus 6 is 6 is equal to 2. 2 and 1 21. Then 21 how many times? 7. 20. We get 27. 27 again divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. Right? This number again divided by 3. Then 3. Then we find out the factors of this number 729. So we can write 729 is equal to how many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then first step we find out the prime factors of given number. Then next we make this numbers factors making pairs. Then 1 pair, then 2 pair, then 3. Total how many pairs? 3 pairs. Then next root of 729 is equal to, here we get 3 pairs. Then each pairs we take 1 factor. Each pairs means this is 1 pair. Then this pairs we take 1 factor. 3. Then next second pair. Then this also, here also we take 1 pair, 1 factor. Then next third pair we take 1 factor. Then multiply 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So root of 729 is equal to which number? 27. Do you understand the prime factorization method? Then one more question. Look. Fourth question. Question number 8. Look. 9260. Question number 8. 9260. Find out the square root of 9260. Then first we find out the prime factors of given number. Means this given number divided by prime factors, prime numbers. 9260. This is even number, so we can divide it by 2. 2. How many times 2 in 9? 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 1. 1 to 12. How many times 2 in 12? 6 2s are 12. The next number 0. How many times 2 in 1? No. So we write 0. Then take 1 and 6 16. How many times? In 16 2 8 8 2s are 16. The next again divided by 2. Look, in 4 how many times? 2 times. In 6 3 times. 0 how many times 2 is in 0? 0 times. So you write 0. Then 8 how many times 2? 4. This number again divided by 2. Look, 1 time. In 3 how many times? 1 times 3 minus 2 1. 1 0 10. In 10 how many times? 5 times. Then next number 4. 4 how many times 2? 2 times. Then this number again divided by 2. How many times? 11. 5 times. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. 1 and 5 50. In 50 how many times 2? 7. 7 2s are 40. Then 50 minus 40 which number? 1. 1 to 12. In 12 how many times? 6. Then this number again divided by 2. Because these numbers are even number. Then 5 how many times? 2 times. But 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. 1 7 17. In 17 how many times? 8 times. 8 2s are 60. 17 minus 60 1. 1 and 6 60. In 60 8. Then again 2. 1 4 4 5 2. How many times? 7 2s are 40. Then in 4 how many times? 2 times. 72 how many times? 30. In 7 2 3 times. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. 1 to 12. In 12 6 times. Then how many times? In 3 1 times. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 6 16. In 16 how many times? 8. Then this number again divided by 2. How many times? 9. 9 is again divided by 2. No. So you take the next prime number. 3. 3 is completely divided by 9. Yes. 3. The next we can write it. The number 4. This is question 8. 9216 is equal to, we can write it, how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 into 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 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then into how many 3s? 2 3s. 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 9260. Then first find out the prime factors of 9260. Then next step making pairs. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next place of 31. Then root of 9260 is equal to, in each pair we take 1 factor. So total how many pairs of you here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 5 pairs we take, how many twos? 5 twos. Then next pairs of 3. Then we write 1. Then multiply 2 into 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 3s are 32 3s are 96. Then the root of 9216 is which number? 96. This method is called prime factorization method. Do you understand this method? Then balance all questions to find the answer. You yourself and write your code. The next question number 5. In prime factorization method, we use only prime number for division. The next question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Here some numbers are given, that numbers are not a perfect square. So you find out this, which smallest number multiplied by this number we will get a perfect square, and also find out the square root of that number. Here look, first number 200, question number 5. First question, 250. So what is its first step? First step, we find out the prime factors of this number. Divided by 252 divided by prime numbers. Same as prime factorization. Then first this number divided by 2. Then how many times? 1 time. Here 2 times. Fine. 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 1 2 third over. How many times in 2 in total? 6 times. Then this number again divided by 2. Then 6. Then next 363. 63 is divided by which number? 63 is complete. We can take 3. How many times? 3 in 6, 2 times. 2 3s are 6. In 3, 1 time. Then this number again divided by 3. 3, 7. Then 7. Then there prime factorization completed. Right? So we can write 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. The next step making pairs. Then pairs of 3 with 2. Then look here 7 has no pair. After prime factorization of 252, then the prime number, which number has no pair? The prime number 7 has, the factor 7 has no pair. Prime factor 7 has no pair. Therefore 252 is not a perfect square. Then next, this 7, this number 7 get a pair. It will become a perfect square. This number become a perfect square. So we can write if 7 gets the number become a perfect square. So therefore we can write this 252 multiply 7 is equal to, we can write with the factors of 252, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, then multiply by 7. So what is that? 7 2s are 40, carry 1, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, carry 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 7 is equal to which number? Can write root of 1764 is equal to, take it by itself, 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to which number? 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 40. So which number is equal to, we can write 1764. This here is 1764 is a perfect, can write it is a perfect square. Then root of 1764 is equal to which number? 42, which is the smallest required number. Then we can write the smallest required The smallest recorded number is 7. This 252 multiplied by which number? 7. Then we will get a perfect square. Then the smallest recorded number is which number? 7, and that perfect square is 1764, and its square root which number? 42. Do you understand that? Next, question. Take question number 5th, 1458. Then question number 5th. Fifth question. Look up. 1458. 458. Then what is the first step? First step we find out the prime factors of this number. First 1458 divided by this number divided by this. Which type of number? Odd or even? This even number. So this number divided by 2. Then 7. Next, in 5 how many times? 2 times. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 1 and 8, 18. 18 how many times? 9 times. Then is this number divided by 2? No. This number not divided, sir. 3. In 3 how many times? 2 times. 1, 2, 12, 4. Then look, 3. This number again divided by 3. 8, 1. And this also divided by 3. 2, 7. Then 3. 9, 3, 3, 1. Then look, we can write 2 into how many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. We find out the prime factors of 1458. The next step making pairs. Then look, 3 has pairs. That is also 3 has pairs. Here look, 2 has no pair. Then look, then after prime factorization of which number? 1458. The prime, which prime number has no pair? The prime number 2 has no pair. Therefore, which number? 1458 is not a perfect square. Then if which number gets a pair? 2 gets a pair. The number will become a perfect square. Therefore, therefore 1458 multiplied by which number? 2 is equal to, we get which number? 2 into 2. But this number multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2 to get a pair. Then 3 into 3 into 3 into 16, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, then 2 1s are 2. Then which number? 2960. Then root of 2916 is equal to, we can write it, make it pairs. From each pairs we take one factor. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then what is answer? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 18, 18 3s are which number? 54. So therefore the required smallest number is, which is the required smallest number? The required smallest number is 2. The next, how many questions balance? You can find its answer yourself. The next question, question number 6.